It made me consider scenes at the beginning of the film The Belarus for tractor lovers shirt dwell. The TV information likes to impress you and make you indignant and scared all of the time in further order that you'll Belarus for tractor. Belarus for tractor lovers shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck. For the reason that finishes of the chilly warfare. What has been the position of Belarus for tractor lovers shirt of personal contractors within the conduct of warfare? Looking forward to the long run. Will we see a much more outstanding position of personal corporations in future wars? With the demise of the United States and the top further of bipolarity in worldwide affairs, a lot further of the way have been to some extent asymmetrical contests between unequal adversaries. Is the privatization of the warfighting capabilities in keeping with the transformation and the further revolution in Navy affairs as we shift towards leaner, higher tech, armed forces? Furthermore, the military duplicates the capabilities of personal contractors by the governments of the West, although I regard this further as extraordinarily unlikely. Other products